What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're building something really exciting in GoHighLevel. Before we jump in, let's quickly talk about what we're creating. We're going to build an AI appointment setter using Agent Studio, an AI employee that can help businesses communicate with customers, answering questions, collecting information, and help book appointments automatically. Instead of spending hours responding to the same pages, this AI can handle conversations that instantly help turn visitors into potential customers. In this video, I'll show you how to create this agent. Step by step, I'll give you instructions, give you knowledge, and test how it works. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you would want to log into your GoHighLevel sub account, which I'm already in. Then, go to AI Agents, right here. There's a lot of AI agent options, but in today's video, we're going to be focusing on Agent Studio. So click on Agent Studio. Now, click Create Agent. This is the fun part. You get to tell another AI how to build your AI. So you can enter a simple prompt here. I'm entering a prompt that I made earlier with ChatGPT. But you can also create it, and it doesn't have to be this long. So I'm just going to enter it right now. The AI is building and working on every single detail. Like you can see, your golden frame setter, the AI appointment setting assistant for golden frame photography. This is the instructions it's giving to the AI. It's super cool. And this is by far the most exciting thing I've ever experienced in GoHighLevel. Now, it says build golden frame setter, an AI appointment setting agent for golden frame photography. In chats with prospects, discover their photography needs. And it's like so awesome. There's photography needs. Now, this is all the instructions it gave to the AI. It's super long, it's like hundreds of words long, but you can read it if you want right here. Now, there's a simple layout on everything. So here's the hundreds of words that the AI gave the prompt. And this is the other basic stuff. So this is the trigger. A trigger is basically how it starts. I already told you all about triggers and workflows in my other video, but this is kind of similar like that, the trigger. The trigger is what it starts. So the trigger is chat started. Or you can add any other trigger, like if they fill out a form, or if they schedule another appointment, if they lead tag, if form submitted, and stuff like that. This is the skills. The skill has been set to default, but you can change whatever you want. Again, it's completely your choice. So if you go in details right here, you can look at all the skills it has. And you can search up 423 skills. I know, that's really cool. So there's associations, blogs, brand boards, and like so much more. So for now, since this is a photography AI companion, we can do something maybe like blogs, because if it records blogs, and it has all of these skills in it. So it has funnels in it, it has invoices, it has knowledge bases, and if you think something is not related, you can just click this check mark and it will not be in the same topic. So, for example, if I think surveys don't really go along with the topic I chose for my AI, I can just simply click this button, which that is true. Photography and surveys don't go together. So, all I have to do is save. And this is going to take hours of work, but trust me, it is going to be so good and it is so simple. So now, this is the web search. The capabilities right here. The one option is web search, and the other option is image generation. You can choose both of them, which I always like to do, because you don't know what you want to create or what the other person wants to ever create. So you just click image generation on. So if you want to test your agent, you can click this right here, and then you can type a message. Let's say, book me a point, like that. Let's see what it says. Now, it also says the user wants to book an appointment. right here. Now, you can also see what the AI is thinking. So basically, if this was a human, this was what the human would be thinking. So, to get started, could you tell me what photography session you're interested in? For example, wedding or engagement, family portraits, maternity or newborn, branding or corporate headshots, and all the other stuff. So I'm going to say, let's say I'm going to do something like graduation. So I'm just going to write grad here. Okay, now it's basically asking me to fill a form, but in AI. So I'm just going to put my full name in here. So it's asking me for the date. What date are you hoping to have your graduation shoot? So I'll say, let's say tomorrow. Let's say maybe 12 to 4, something like that. It's just a completely random choice, but this is just an example so you can see what it actually is. July 9th, 2026 from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. I need a couple more details. What's the best phone number and email address? So I'll type the email address. So this is my email address. And the phone number is... So guys, if you could see here, what is actually going through? It's actually going through a set. I gave it here. So it's going through a process slowly of making my email, giving my name, giving my phone number, and lots of other stuff. See, so it also remembers all this stuff the user has given it. So this is all details. So I'm just gonna write thanks, and the conversation is ended. So if you like the AI, you can keep it as is, or if you don't, you can maybe add a little few tweaks. So I can say, make it more casual if I want to, but for me, I think it's perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and publish this button right here. So now, if you could see, the AI is published. So if I go back here, looks like just like any other AI chatbot, like maybe ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and so much more. This is the memory too. So the memory is basically, if I type something like hi, it says the user has greeted me. I can see in here, if I go to the agent and go back, I can see memory and activity right here, hi. And I can go back to this chat. Basically like ChatGPT if you want to switch tabs or chat. So it's really simple, guys, and that's how you make an AI setter. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.